In this video, we will see how to create a GitHub account. So to create a GitHub account, first you have to go to the URL github.com and you will land on this page. It is possible that the design is slightly different depending on the moment you watch this video, but that's not a problem. The next steps are the same. So to create a GitHub account, you have to click on the sign up button, which is here at the top right. So we land on this page. It is a pretty original registration page, by the way. It looks a bit like a terminal that you can have on your computer. So first you have to specify your mail address. So I'm going to type in my address. Then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter a password. So you can type your password and then we click again on continue. Then you will need to enter a username. You can put the name you want. So I'm putting my name and my first name together like that. Then you can click again on continue. You can check this box to receive emails about news, updates and so on. Then you have this CAPTCHA to resolve. And once it's done, click on submit. After that, you should have received a code on your mailbox that will allow you to verify your account. So you can go to the mailbox you have entered and type the code. On my part, I received the code and I'm typing it. Perfect. We then land on this page. We have a message here that says that the account has been created and now we just have to log in. So we can enter our mail address, the one we used to create the account, and then type the password. Click on sign in and we land on this page. Here you will be asked to respond to a few questions to customize your feed on GitHub. You can answer the questions if you want. For my part, I'm going to skip this. We then wait for it to load. And here we are. We have landed on GitHub, so we can start working with this tool. You can create your first repository by going to create repository here. Then you can define a name for this repository by indicating whether it is a public or private repository. And then if you click on create repository, the repository will be created and you will be able to work on it. So I go back to the welcome page, and that was all for this video. You now have your own GitHub account.